Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my Robot Technologies presentation. The purpose of this video is to highlight how robots are being used to bridge the gap for someone's social presence. This is done, for example, through what is known as telepresence. So just to give you a quick definition, classroom or educational robots such as Vigo or Virtual Go, they facilitate the telepresence for someone, i.e. a student, who is unable to attend classes, for example, because of recovering at home from an illness or an injury. Um, and then there's also teaching robots, and teaching robots are either pre-programmed robots used to teach content or concepts to students, or they may be remotely controlled robots facilitating the telepresence of a teacher who may or may not be physically located in the same school building as the students. And I'm going to go on to the next slide. Why are robots useful for social interest? Robots are useful to my social interest because they facilitate social interaction spanning geographic boundaries. And what I'm going to do basically, I want to skip the videos and come back to them. In terms of integrated technology working to solve problem or explore possibilities, I found many scholarly articles, but one that stood out with me is it's from Ayumada, Newart, and Olson, 2019. And from this, I understand telepresence robots have recently been introduced as a way for children who are homebound due to medical conditions to attend their school. From all of what I quoted from these two authors, I basically infer that telepresence robots, whether representing the virtual presence of students or teachers, does facilitate both virtual and social inclusion and interaction. Another takeaway I got is that telepresence robots solve problems of access. In other words, it provides a solution to bridging the gap when someone is physically unable to be in the same space as their peers for learning or teaching purposes. And then I have my reference on this side. And then in terms of the videos, I found one for Buffalo, New York, a student who is unable to attend school physically, but does so with the use of a telepresence, and I'll run this one real quick.
In this elementary school classroom in the suburbs of Buffalo, New York, is a robot. Instead of raising his hand, a special light lets the teacher know he has a question or an answer.
And just to see, because time is running out, my other videos on the topic, when you go through my PowerPoint, you'll get a chance to watch those videos. Telepresence robots in India, in Germany, and in other, I think I have another one for another school in the US. So please feel free to watch those videos to learn more about robots and telepresence. Thank you for watching.